IRM brings you yet another innovation for the pharmaceutical and nutritional industry. The Remec CF40. CF40 is an intelligently designed capsule filling machine with an output of 40,000 capsules per hour. As you can see, it is not just about speed, it is also about ease of management and efficiency. The loader assembly is built with dowels, thus eliminating the gap verification and alignment process. Peak bush plates made of food-grade material are provided on tempering plates which avoid metal-to-metal contact. Unopened capsules are rejected by suction. By removing just a pin, the pellet assembly can be halted for weight-setting operations. Separate upper and lower segment. Space between the turret and the main plate. And food-grade seals used along shafts aid for quick and easy cleaning and manageability. Closed self-lubricating globoidal gearboxes and power steerer assembly placed close to the main plate aids in accuracy and durability. Remec CF40, another of IRM's production, which provides our customers the solution they require. IRM's Pharma Machinery Division, touching lives through innovation.